Right, so now that we have looked at a basic control structure, I'm going to add a little bit to that and show you how Python structures their code. So we have the same setup here. We have the 4 variables up here. We have the if statement or the if control right here. We also have our statement or comparison in there. My variable is less than another variable. It will print this too shall pass, and I've given another instruction. My third variable equals to my third variable plus how about another. Now do you notice here that there's spaces in front of these print and my third variable? This is very important. This is how Python groups together similar or tasks that are meant to be done together. So what happens is everything with this indent here, belongs to this if. In other words, if this if says false, nothing in these two sections will print. If this if is true, then everything in these two sections will print, or at least will be looked at by the program. And this is how Python does it. This indentation comes naturally. If I hit enter, my cursor automatically comes here and I have spaces in front. If I want to get rid of that, I just hit backspace and I can start typing again back to the same structure, same line in the front. This is how Python keeps track of which instruction to do. So if I visualize execution, I'll set up the first 4 variables. That's nothing new. I'll then do if my variable is less than another variable. Is that true? Well, yes. 5 is less than 8. Goes to this one. Print. This too shall pass. This will be print. And it looks at this one. Oh, this one is also same indentation. My third value variable equals to my third variable plus how about another. And I want you to notice here what happens. 120 plus negative 12 is 108, and my third variable stores 108 back into its memory. So let's see what happens if I do this. I add a space between the print and my third variable. Immediately, the Python throws an error saying unexpected indent. Spacing is incredibly important between lines in Python. This is how Python structures its organization, and this you must respect its spacing. So to get from 8, the side next to 8, to where it is now in one step, what you do is you hit the tab button. The tab button is the button next to the Q. So if I hit tab, I can start typing. Once I go here, I type here, and if I need to, I go to where the if is, I hit tab, and I can start typing there. That's how you get to that structure. Please do not enter 4 spaces. If you enter 4 spaces, Python counts each space as a tab and will have a lot of indentation errors, which will be very difficult to debug. Let's see. With that, continue having fun.